Hey, this is Chad Porno from WPLearning101.com. I've been helping people learn WordPress since 2007, so I put together a system for you that you'll master WordPress today with 31 absolutely free tutorials for beginners. You'll learn how to build your first WordPress website with our WordPress tutorial videos for beginners. Plus, I recently just added this bonus right here. This is going to help everybody, even seasoned and professional and people that are considered pros at WordPress. I am giving you this right here, plus free WordPress Autoblogging plugin with 1 million plus PLR articles that are included with our WP Learning 101 training, okay? So basically, what you're going to get is you're going to get our training for free. You're going to get our free WordPress Autoblogging plugin. And these aren't just any PLR articles that you find on the internet. These are articles that our system with our programmer and a professional SEO expert has put together prompts with ChatGPT with our system and has generated these articles for you guys that are SEO optimized so you guys can start ranking first page on Google, okay? This is a newly added bonus to help people. We've had so many people asking us for help in different areas with content creation, and this is what we did today. We just recently added this plugin that you can get access to. So basically, I'm just going to kind of go over, kind of give you a review of what's going to happen once you sign up. So make sure you check out the whole site right here, okay? We have a video right here that kind of explains how the whole system works with the free WordPress Autoblogging plugin that you'll get access to today for free. Just watch that video and it'll show you a little bit more information. But basically, just go through the website, kind of see what you're getting. You can see all the video topics that you're going to get. If you just scroll down all the way here, you're going to see all the 31 videos with this training, okay? And like I said, you're going to see all that. This is me, Chad Portnover, right there. So basically what you're going to do is you can just click, yes, I'm ready, okay? So you just click right there, and it's going to take you right here to the checkout page, which is free. You just put your name, your email address, your name, your last name, your email address right there. Click right here so you can get updates and you can confirm that you want to be a part of this website and this community. So you just click yes, place your order right here. And once you click that right here, go through the process right here. Then you'll also get an email from us that you need to confirm. Okay, so here it is right there, 0. Okay, you can see right there, you'll be taken to this page right here. You just click on this one right here. This is WP Learning 101. And right here, you can watch the video right here. This is an older video that I made. We've done a lot of updates since then. And then you can click right here. And this will actually take you to the free WordPress Autoblogging plugin that you can add your name, your email address, click yes, I want this. Then you'll confirm the email, and then you'll get access to it, and you can start downloading the plugin for 100% free, okay? So I just want to kind of give you a brief overview of the plugin so you can see this. Just a few days ago, I actually, this is the best part about it. If you don't see your topic in the plugin itself, say the category, we have literally hundreds of categories, okay? So I'm asking everybody when they actually watch these videos to post in the comments area below to make sure that they actually put the category or topics that they want that goes with their WordPress website so I can get content for them that's SEO optimized that will help their websites get ranked on first page of Google and other search engines. And like I said, I did it for this person that posted a comment in our YouTube channel and below one of our videos. And I wrote these articles for them 100% free. I did 100 articles, and then I added this is the one they wanted, online marketing tips for beginners. And then I generated them, and then it wrote the articles, okay? So basically, once you download the plugin, okay, you're basically going to come to your WordPress website, you're going to install it, and like I said, you're actually going to get free training videos once you sign up. So I'm just kind of giving you a short little brief of an overview of what you're going to get with your free WordPress tutorial videos today, other than just the training, okay? I'm going to go back over that, so stay tuned to the end of the video so I can actually show you even more. I just want to show you how excited I am about this free WordPress plugin, Autoblogging plugin that you get today. So basically what you do is you can just come right over here, look for the category that you have. Literally, we have hundreds, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you, you can do two different ways. You can pick the category right here, or what you can do is you can come down here. I'm just going to put on marketing. You can type in whatever you want. I'm just going to show you basically how it works, and the articles that we already have added in here that are SEO optimized to rank on first page of Google and other search engines. So you can see right here that we have 77 pages that have to do with marketing articles, okay? That's 761 different articles that are SEO optimized to rank on first page of Google and other search engines. So basically what you would do is, just giving you a little overview, is you check on these boxes right here, click save, and then it will add it to your system, and then you'll be able to add those articles afterwards or set up the auto blogging. But like I said, once you watch the training video, you'll see how to do this. Another cool feature is, let's just do marketing since we did that last time for the search. This is going to pull up a ton of videos on YouTube that you can use, that you can embed in your WordPress blog posts. And these are marketing that you can actually teach people in the blog posts that you have and teach them different skills. Like I said, this is marketing. If you had a website about dogs or whatever it is, it's going to pull up videos on YouTube that you can actually embed. And you can do the same thing. Just check right here, check right there, save it, and then it will be saved for you. Another cool feature right here is these are copyright-free images that you can use for your blog posts. You just click right here, and it just pops them all up here for you. And you can click on any of these, same way as the other, click save the results, then it will add it to your media area, and then you can use that to write your blog post with the content that you had right over here that we did a search on, or whatever you were looking today, okay? So let's go back over here. So basically, once you get to this point right here, below you're going to actually be able to see, if you just click on this right here, it's going to take you to the first 9 topics right here. So we just click right here. And then this is just an example account that I have, so I've already done these, but you just click on the first one, okay, lesson 1. This is going to teach you right here, buying domains. You just go right here, and then the video is going to show up right here below, and then you just click right here, and then you watch the video, and then you can just click on complete when you're done, or you can just go right here, and you can just click on next topic, and it will take you to the next one right here, video lesson number 2, and it goes down to 9. Then basically right here, you can click right here for module 2, and it will take you right here, and it will show you the next videos right here. And all you do again is you just click on whichever one that you want to do. And like I said, you don't have to go in order or do any of that. You can actually just find the ones that you want to, that you need help with. But I would think it would be best to go through all of them. But they're here. They're always going to be here. You're going to be able to go back. So if you don't have a lot of time certain days, you can kind of come back here. You can mark complete so you know which ones you've watched. And then basically another way that you can do it too is you can come over here. There's a section 3, and this right here has the other videos. So there's the module 1, 2, 3. And then you can come down here to the 3 right here, and you can click on there, and you can actually download the ebook that will basically go over the WordPress Learning 101 Guide for Beginnings that will teach you other things about WordPress. But the best way of learning is actually through videos and through the ebook that we have. But like I said, just scroll right here, pick out which ones you want to watch, or watch all of them. Especially if you're new, make sure you watch all of them. And then what you do is you can just click on that you completed that one, and then you can go down all the way down to number 9, and then you can go to module 2, which has the rest of the videos there. So if you're on our website today, okay, so let me just go back over here. Okay, so let me just go over here. If you're on our website here, what you can do is if you have any kind of questions at all, you can come up over here, you can click on our support, and you can come down here, and you can actually get a hold of us, get help here. So you just click right there. So just wait here a sec, and then you can just click right here. This will take you to our support desk. You can click on submit a ticket, and then you come right over here to WP Learning 101, and then you put your information right here about your question. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, you can post in the comments below. Plus, you can also post here too if you don't see your category with the My Content Creator Pro free version WordPress Autoblogging Plugin. You can actually post which categories you want for me to write the 100 articles for you. Okay, we are here to help. We want you to have success, and especially when you first get started with WordPress. We want to make sure that you have the videos that you need. We want to make sure that you have the content that you need so you can start getting free website traffic, leads, and sales, because everyone needs more traffic, leads, and sales, okay? So thank you again for watching this video. We are so excited to help you guys in your adventure with our WordPress tutorial videos for beginners. Make sure that you download the WordPress Autoblogging plugin with the 1 million PLR articles that are included for 100% free. This is 100% free training. We are here to help you. And like I said, any kind of questions you have, post them below in this YouTube video or in our support desk, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. This is Chapper Noble. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.